is in Mississippi. We're gonna do a Halloween one now. What do y'all think of that shit? What the fuck? Alright, there's people fucking picking on me. Alright. I'm gonna fucking behave. Hey, Nolan. Cheers. I'm not coping with all this picking on Chuck's bullshit. Well, Mike, you supposed to be backing me up on this shit. I get picked and poked and prodded here. I'm catching all kind of hell, and Mike's just sitting over there laughing his ass off. Bullshit. I saw a naked cowgirl. Yeah, they're allowed to pick on me. I just shut up. I'm just gonna sit here and just keep my mouth shut. Let the mermaids do their thing. Pick on poor Chucky. I will make leaders. Mark McLean, how are you doing tonight? Mark McLean. Mark McLean, you gotta come down and have some of the backwater fishing drinks with us. Everybody's trying to figure out who the fuck I'm talking to. That's what cracks me up, because I know people's names in this live, and they don't know who it is I'm talking to, and they think I'm just fucking making shit up. But they know. Yeah, when you come back down, we're gonna have. Hey, I got a whole line of backwater fishing drinks. We put them in the slushy machine and make slushies. They're fucking awesome, dude. Oh, the backwater slushies are fucking good. Yeah, we got some fucking crazy fucking drink that Mike come up with. Hooking Chuck in the neck or some shit. Oh, hell yeah, Stacy. We're going to have your... Oh, what's this one? We're going to show it. We're going to show Mike's drink. What's it called? What the fuck am I looking for? Oh, I was looking for a drink. Mike and his fucking drinks. We got one called the oyster rash. It's called hook and chug in the neck. Ah! It's cherry vodka, raspberry liqueur, cranberry juice, grenadine, lime juice, a splash of soda on ice. Oh, Bearded's is good. I don't know why we named it Bearded because I guess because he said he liked it. Oh yeah, here it is. Bearded Slutty Sergeant Slushy. Bearded Slutty. Hey, we are fishing, Fossil Man. That's a good one, AJ. A salty clam. What do you add to that? You add a rotten oyster to that shit or what? A rotten oyster and some menhaden juice? Oh yeah, tuna juice out of a can. Ew. Well, good thing I don't go to bars. There you go. There's one more of a Halloween vibe. Got the orange, black, and eyeballs and skulls. Hey, if we use the tuna, then we're gonna have to call that one the stanky leg, Mike. The stanky leg drink. That's what I'm trying to tell you. What the hell happened? Guesses too. A stinky. Oh, the AI says making a stinky leg cocktail with tuna juice. Suggest. Oh, I already got. Hey, Mike, AG, we already got Larissa's drink. I already got one made for Larissa. That's what the AI summary said. That was funny as shit. AI summary said, make it a stinky leg cocktail with tuna juice. Suggest what to add. Cheers. We're fixing to. get another frozen concoction. Who's massaging me? Phone's overheating from the dings. Is it dinging? We gotta go check bait. AG wants to check bait. Let me finish the cocktail. We're having a little bit too much fun tonight. Let's change the music up. Oh, here we go. Here's the song. There we go. We changed the music up. No, I haven't. Not late. Pearl necklace. Pearl necklace. I love this song. No. We need to go check bait or something. Yeah. Really, AG? That's a little out there, buddy. Song, AG. Don't take it personal. AG, have you had one? Probably. I just give you hell, AG. Yeah, I've been here. Maybe a snow dragon too, you never know. Larry, backwater fishing bite splash. They're pretty fucking good. They're about 97% alcohol. They won't even freeze. Alright, we're gonna go check some bait. Go check bait. Here, I need glasses. Hold on. Calm down, calm down. We're having fun. Let's go check some bait. We're gonna go check some bait. Hey, oh yeah, Chaz. He might show up tonight again. We gotta rescue him. We're gonna rescue the gar by putting him out of his misery. Hey, we got oysters. Look there. Boy, too bad it ain't cold. All them oysters. That is some shit right there, I'm telling you. That could stir up some shit. I'm trying to tell you. Hey, there's a hat. Somebody lost a hat. It washed up over there. Ouch. There's a hat. We need to step down there slowly. Cause I want to look at that hat. I might need to wear it. Oh. Hey, look at there. We got hey, there's a woman's hat. What kind it is? It says straw stupidness. What the fuck's it say? Straw Studios made in Wakasaki Land. Huh. And we'll put it right here and let it dry out. No, I'm on top of the oysters. Ugh. I probably would, but it's all wet. We're gonna let it dry out. I will mail it to you, AG. I got your address. I'll spray paint it pink for you first. Eat the milk, boy. Alright, oh shit, I can't see nothing. Let's check, baby. Yeah, Mr. Baby. Hey, we got a chair even out here now. Look. Ugh. I can't read nothing. I can't see it. I think it went black. Did so much get hot and go out? No. Yeah, you might want to watch out. Don't piss the mermaids off. They have the power to make things very, very difficult for people. Just the mermaids have unlimited power on the live. So How's it going there, Mr. Andy Man? Future pops to be. Oh, you hear that noise? Oh, that sounds awesome.